Listen closely, because what I'm about to say, someone out there needs to hear it tonight. People really thought walking away from you would be the start of something better. They believed leaving you was an upgrade, a fresh chapter, a greener pasture. They thought the world outside your presence would reward their betrayal. But the truth hit them harder than they'll ever admit. The grass they chased turned out to be fake, and every step they took only led them deeper into emptiness. They left light for shadows. They left gold for glitter. They left peace for chaos. And now they're choking on the very air they once believed would be fresher. They told themselves lies. That life without you would be brighter, freer, easier. But all that so-called freedom turned into confusion. All that space they wanted turned into loneliness. They walked away expecting the universe to reward them. But the only thing the universe handed them was silence and regret. They thought they'd find better, but better never came. What came instead were people who mirrored their own toxicity. People who used them the same way they once used you. Because karma doesn't always show up loud. Sometimes it shows up as an empty bed, unanswered messages, and nights spent scrolling through old memories of you, pretending they don't care. But they do, more than they'll ever say out loud. A truth they can't escape. They once believed you were replaceable, that someone else could make them feel the same way. But life taught them something brutal. Your energy cannot be replicated. You were the standard. You were the stability. You were the real thing. And what did they choose? Noise, glitter, distractions with no soul. Now they sit there comparing, realizing everything they thought they gained turned to dust in their hands. At first they flaunted it, their new happiness, their new beginning, trying to make you jealous. But when the cameras turned off and the crowd disappeared, the truth crushed them. They downgraded. They lost someone who cared and gained a temporary distraction. The thrill died quickly. Your absence didn't. You became the ghost that haunted their new beginning. They thought the grass was greener, but they forgot something important. The grass only looks greener until life rains on it. They let ego and pride drag them away. Now they stare across the fence at the life they once lived, the peace, the laughter, the calm, realizing they can't go back. That door is closed. And the version of you that once forgave, once answered, once held them together, that version no longer exists. The irony is beautiful. They thought you'd be the one suffering, but it's them replaying the what-ifs every night. It's them stalking your peace, your progress, your glow-up, wondering how the hell you moved on without them. They used to mock your loyalty, your calmness, your patience. Now they miss it. Now they crave it. Now they realize what kind of soul they lost. But here's the part they'll never admit. Their downfall wasn't losing you. Their downfall was realizing they were never enough to keep you. Because once you saw how little they valued your presence, you withdrew it completely. No announcement, no drama, no revenge, just silence. And that silence became their punishment. Everything they touched now, it turns hollow. That greener grass they chased, it's rotting from the inside. The soil poisoned with lies, watered by guilt, baked in regret. You became what they said you couldn't. They expected you to break, to crumble, to beg. Instead, you rose, quietly, gracefully, dangerously. You became everything they claimed you couldn't without them. They thought your happiness depended on their presence. They didn't know your happiness was waiting on their absence. They can't enjoy their new life because it's built on comparison. Every person they meet feels dull next to you. Every smile feels forced. Every moment feels empty. Real love doesn't come twice. Real loyalty doesn't repeat itself. And your presence, that can't be duplicated. They thought they left you behind, but what they truly left behind was the best thing they ever had. You never tried to be the standard. They just learned painfully that authenticity doesn't come cheap. And the worst part, you don't even hate them. You don't even care enough to. You've outgrown the version of yourself that needed closure. You've reached the level where silence is revenge, peace is power, detachment is the final punishment. The mask they wear is cracking. They thought they'd find something new, but what they found was themselves, exposed, guilty, empty. You became the lesson they didn't know they needed. Now, every time they look at what they settled for, all they can see is what they lost. All that greener grass, it was just painted over. And when life started to rain, the paint washed away. Their new company feels shallow. Their conversations feel hollow. Their smiles are fake. They try to bury their guilt under distractions, but guilt grows like weeds. Every attempt to escape brought them back to the same truth. They left something real for something temporary, and the temporary faded fast. The thrill died, the excitement evaporated, and the emptiness they tried to avoid became their new normal. Meanwhile, you became something they can't reach anymore. Peace in motion. You built a world without them, and it thrived. That's what really cuts them deep. Their absence didn't slow you down. It freed you. The universe revealed everything. Their ego once made them paint you as the problem, the overthinker, the one who cared too much. But time has a way of revealing truth. Now everyone around them sees what you always knew. Your intentions were pure. There's poisoned by pride. They became the villain in their own story. And no amount of pretending can fix an ending like that. Sometimes they sit there scrolling through your name, their fingers hovering over the message button, but they never send anything. Because how do you apologize to someone who has outgrown your entire language? How do you approach someone who found peace in your betrayal? They know they can't. You know you wouldn't respond even if they tried. You've become untouchable, not out of arrogance, but evolution. The people they tried to replace you with, they don't stay. They feel the comparison. They feel the emptiness. They feel your shadow in every corner. Because you aren't just a memory. You are a standard. And that realization drives them insane. You became their karma. The more they try to forget you, the more the universe reminds them what they lost. They tell themselves lies to survive the guilt. You were too much. It wouldn't have worked anyway. But truth bleeds through every lie. You were never too much. They were simply too small to match your depth. Now that truth keeps them awake at night. Regret is loud. In quiet rooms, you became their karma. Without lifting a finger, your peace did the work. Your silence delivered the justice. Every smile you wear now, poetic justice. Every win you achieve, a reminder that they fueled your growth. When they tried to destroy it, they look in the mirror now and see someone they don't recognize. Emptier, colder, lonelier. Because betrayal doesn't just hurt the betrayed, it corrupts the betrayer. They thought they'd live unbothered after betraying you, but their spirit carries the stain of what they did, a stain that doesn't wash off. And you chose a different path. You found strength in solitude, power in silence, clarity in pain. You stopped waiting for explanations, stopped asking for justice, stopped holding doors open for people who chose to walk out. You let the universe handle it, and it did. They used to laugh about everything except you. Your name doesn't bring humor anymore. It brings humility. You became a story they tell in whispers. They're not haunting your life. You're haunting theirs. They tried to erase you, but in doing so, they carved you even deeper into their conscience. Everywhere they go, every face they meet, every vibe they feel, something reminds them of you. That's the cost of losing someone unforgettable. Your life became the proof. Their world is full of noise. Yours is full of calm. They live surrounded by chaos they created. You live in stillness you earned. They can't escape the life that became their punishment. You can't be stopped in a life that became your rebirth. And when they finally look back, truly look back, they'll realize the sadder truth. They lost you over an illusion, over pride, over lies that didn't last. They burned a bridge to chase a mirage, and when the smoke cleared, you were already gone, too far, too healed, too at peace. They thought they were trading you for something better, but all they really did was teach you how to live better. Without them, the grass was never greener. It was just different. And now, you walk through real fields, blooming with freedom, while they stand on artificial turf, still trying to convince themselves it's paradise.